Countable and uncountable foods. Countable, uncountable. Bun, sandwich, burger, butter, cheese, bread, sausage, fries, cookies, sauce, salt, chocolate, apple, orange, pineapple, jam, milk, honey, carrot, peas, potato, water, tea, coffee,